Today is September the 12th, 2015, and once again we're looking at the rainbow loop, the infrared loop for the Northeast Pacific. And today in Los Angeles we had overcast skies most of the day. It was a very humid day. We had a monsoonal flow from Hurricane Linda, and we actually had light rain for about 45 minutes. Not measurable, but just a very light rain. Today the humidity was around 52%, and we had a dew point of around 60 degrees, so it was very muggy. And the temperature at about 7:40 p.m. tonight was around 79 degrees. Got pretty warm today. I think probably around I don't know, 86 degrees, and it was very muggy. So, and it's been that way for the last 3 days. We've got that hurricane moisture blowing in, remnants of Hurricane Linda. All right, so in the map we see a lot of moisture here in Southern California. Some of that's bringing rain. We didn't get much here in LA. Over here we have a storm developing, and there is a HARP transmitter right on the tail of that. We'll take a look at that here in a second. And over here we had a counterclockwise spinning low that moved off Mexico into the Pacific here, and that is being attended to by a HARP transmitter. Let's go ahead and look at this in the water vapor mode right now. And we can see that the counterclockwise spinning motion has been pretty much neutralized. There is a tiny amount of right here, there's something trying to spin, and but they've got heat on this. Okay, so that's going to prevent that area from spinning up into another hurricane. And over here is that storm that's been identified on the surface pressure map right here, and there is a HARP transmitter right here to put some heat on this, and the core is sucking in the heat. That will diminish this core. By tomorrow this will be a big mess. In 2 days it'll be looking like up here, just a big mess. Okay, what else is going on here? Let's go take a look at the down here by Hawaii. We had a counterclockwise moving low pressure trying to spin up, but that has been attended to. We can see that here in the 7.5 hour loop. All these thunderstorms have been dissolved by a HARP transmitter. Look at that. There's a lot of thunderstorms here accompanying this storm front. And let's go ahead and look at the this is the East Pacific water vapor loop, and there's not a whole lot to report tonight. Just a lot of remnants of moisture from Hurricane Linda in the southwest. A lot of this stuff is flowing to the west. Okay, let's take a look at the southwest loop here. This is the water vapor loop, and we can see some clouds and small thunderstorms moving over Southern California out through to Arizona. Arizona's getting the rain, not much in California to report. All right, here is the infrared loop, and we can see the intensity of the rain is mostly over in Arizona. Okay, so let's look at the National Hurricane Center map right now, and there is a disturbance identified here. This is a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. All right, so we'll keep an eye on that. And let's go back to the big map here. And we can see what's happened here. They have not only a transmitter right here to heat this up and bog it down and destroy the rotation. We have a division set up here to keep this flow separated from this flow. We have a flow coming out of the Gulf of Alaska right here, which is mushrooming into this electronic wall right along here, so as to not feed this low pressure. So these are very effective. This is a phased array radar that completely heats this entire area, and nothing can get by on either side. And we can see that happening here. This flow is coming down and turning to the right and coming around, and then the transmitter has got this area heated up, and then this water vapor evaporates, and we have nothing but heat that gets into that core. Okay. And then we have a flow moving out to the west, or rather to the east here, as everything's moving east, and then it's taking a right turn and moving down into the central part of the country. We'll have to keep an eye on all that, and that's basically it for now. Go ahead and do another update tomorrow. Okay, so that's it.